This is May, and this is me. I want to tell you why we are ultimately meant to become friends. It started with a war-ridden Vietnam with two very determined kids. See this guy? That's May's dad, Duan, and here's my dad, Din. They didn't know each other at the time, but they both knew Vietnam was no place for a future. They had to escape the war. They didn't know English, they didn't have any money, and they definitely didn't have any friends. But at Chicago, where they both met. They still didn't speak much English, they still didn't have any money, but they definitely had a friend. So here's a metaphor for you. Imagine the movie Good Will Hunting, except without Matt Damon or Ben Affleck. Instead, it's these two Vietnamese dudes, Duan and Din. Din decided not to go to school. Instead, he worked full-time at a factory. And meanwhile, Duan was at college. Din was also like a big brother to Duan though. He drove Duan everywhere, to college, to work, to his love interests. Din also helped Duan out with money, since he was the only one with a job at the time. In return, Duan would always be there for Din too. They were best friends. But one day Duan leaves. In a truly Matt Damon fashion, he chases a girl to California. The both of them get married, have kids, and start to focus on their family lives. Recognize her? That's May. She would describe this as her boy phase. And there's me, when I wasn't so skinny. And then there are the family vacations. The both of us weren't really aware of each other at the time, but we grew up together. There's all this evidence of our families hanging out, even if we don't remember it. May was always on my fridge. To be honest, I never really knew who she was, or her whole family for that matter. My parents never really explained any of it, but they clearly kept in contact. It didn't really help that everything was written in Vietnamese either. And then there was Mexico, another family vacation. It had been about a decade since our families had seen each other. May was 16 and I was 18. We had met before, but only in fuzzy memories and through our fridges. She was from California and I was from Chicago. We had completely different lives, yet we had a lot in common. I just remember getting along really well with her, and ultimately, we became very good friends.
It's very glad we all get together and we all know that we're very close. It doesn't matter how far away we are, it's just glad that we're all family and that we all have this time together.
I used to think that us meeting at that moment and getting along so well, I thought it was a huge coincidence. But knowing our family history, it isn't so surprising. In fact, it almost seems meant to be. I mean, our dads are best friends, they're both from Vietnam, and I'm sure they were both thinking about the day all of their kids would meet too. The cool thing about all of this is that it isn't just May and me. There are other kids in those photos. There are other parents in those videos. Quite frankly, there's a ton of us. And it all started from the same place. I know a lot about unconditional love. My family likes to show me that every day. But this is unconditional friendship. I was born with friends, whether I knew it or not. And I'm personally really thankful for that. I could see us being friends for generations to come.
As I was transitioning into like a new stage in my life, my nose family is always number one. So moments like these always mean the world.